Want to add and remove YouTube tag from Roblox but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to add and remove YouTube tag from Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by tapping on the More button from the bottom right corner. Then click on the Settings button. After that, tap on the Account Info option. Now scroll all the way down. Now tap on the box below YouTube and enter your channel link according to the format given. After you have entered the link, tap on the Save button. If you want to remove YouTube tag, tap on the Enter link and erase it. After that, tap on the Save button to save the changes. And that's how you can add and remove YouTube tag from Roblox. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.